Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna give you a pro tips about running a successful marketing strategy on Pinterest. Let's launch the Pinterest and let me show you things that you probably never saw. The best marketing strategy is the one that people don't know what you're actually selling. So this will make them to click on your post. Let me show you. Do you see this picture over here with the desk, with the lamp, with like a minimalistic vibe? It doesn't look like an ad. It doesn't say it's an ad. If you look the post around, every ad is marked as promoted by. So this is not an ad. And the picture looks professional. And you're thinking what they're actually selling, right? They make you to click on it, right? And when you go on it, you will see plenty of things are popping up. This is what I'm even trying to explain. You want to create an offer and you want to promote in and market your product or service in a way in which doesn't look like you're selling something, doesn't look like that you're looking for buyers, right? Doesn't look like that you have a sales offer, right? Or promotion or something is currently on sale. This is what will make people to click on your ad or on your running offer, because everything else looks like a sales offer, right? Look at all this, like, right, the shoes, it's straight from the Nike's website, right? The cars, it's obviously a promotion. Everything looks like an ad. The watch looks like an ad, right? But when you see something very natural, that it's like this one, for example, right? Look at the arrangement of all these tools. What they're selling? Are they selling cases? Are they selling iPhone? Are they selling other accessories with it? Are they selling pens? If you look at underneath, right? They're simply trying to reach an audience that are passionate about tech. If you scroll down, you probably will find a particular products that are linked to their page, right? But there is no specific targeted audience they're trying to reach. If you scroll down, you see they've tried to post different stuff. You see they try to vibe around the different celebrations around Halloween, right? Early on they just post a lot of memes, obviously didn't work out. So this is what they figured it out. Things should not look like an ad. You see, things should look natural and should grab your attention. So step number one is, if you had already created a particular content for your product or service, you have to go and redo the content. Make the content as natural as possible and don't make it to look like an offer. Don't only place your product in the middle of the screen and leave it, expect somebody to click, like the Nike sneakers I showed you earlier, right? Make it like this. Make a combination. Make a very nice arrangement of similar items. If you're selling watches, well, put some leather pieces on the side, or put the watches on the couch, put some pens, put some iPhone on the side. Make it like a setup for a business. Don't make it like this particular item over here, the Jordans. It's very obvious that they're selling these Jordans. And if you don't like these Jordans, you're not going to click on them, right? But look on the other side, right? You have the desk. If we forget that there is an ad running from Amazon, you probably wonder, okay, are they selling the desk? Desk looks cool. Are they selling the speakers? Are they selling the ring light? I like this hanging stuff for the keyboard on the side. I'm curious, what is it, right? You're going to click on it and then you're going to find out what is their sales offer. For more marketing tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.